Well, I still want to keep you up to date. We do still have that flood warning. In fact, maybe in fact for several days still, where the areas are flooded in eastern Hidalgo County, far western Cameron County, western Willisey County. It says until 2:15 today, but it will probably be extended. These are just the areas that do still have some flooded roads and fields, so kind of watch out traveling in those areas, especially some of the rural roads. Mainly dry and mostly sunny today, though. I think we're seeing very little rain. There might be a little sea breeze shower again in Cameron County like we saw yesterday, but mainly dry and hot and highs in the 90s. Rain chances increase later this week. I think especially by the weekend, our better or higher rain chances come back once again. Now, if you are outdoors, watch out for those mosquitoes. They are out there in full force still. Still a lot of standing water around the valley. The humidity's high. There's not much wind again today, so we'll say the mosquito activity is extreme today. Again, the winds are very light, and if you do want to kind of protect yourself a little bit more, remove that standing water. You don't want to give them a chance to breed anymore. Check the gutters of your houses too. That water kind of lays up there in there for a while. But wear long sleeves or pants if you are outdoors when it's especially in the early morning hours like now or later in the evening. When the sun goes down and mosquitoes are more active, and avoid again those late evening and early morning hours when typically winds are lighter. But today is a day where the winds are going to be light all day, so those mosquitoes out there buzzing around, they'll probably be out there in full force, like I said again today. 77 degrees in McAllen, 74 in Raymondville and Harlingen. The numbers are popping back on. This wasn't even working a few hours ago, so there we go. 74 in Harlingen, 77 in Brownsville. 96 in Weslaco for a high today, near 100 in Rio Grande City. It's really hard to get too many 100s right now just because the ground is still so wet, but it is still fairly warm, but not as hot as it could be for August. In general, mostly sunny skies today, dry in most areas. As we said, there might be one or two little sea breeze showers today, but mainly just more sun most of the day. The heat index, how hot it feels this afternoon, about 100 to 105. When you factor in the humidity. But if you are outdoors this morning, again, watch out for mosquitoes, but temperatures rise from the 70s this morning through the 80s and near 90 at lunchtime and into the mid to upper 90s in some areas this afternoon, and then back into the 80s this evening. So future track does show, again, mainly dry weather, mostly sunny skies today. Notice how the sea breeze comes in, tries to build up the clouds a little bit, might have one or two little showers briefly with it, but mainly around Cameron County or to the south. And the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Rain chances, I guess if we had to say a number today, less than 10%, but 10% maybe in Cameron County. Wednesday and Thursday, very low rain chances, but we come back up a little bit. There might be one shower or two again on Thursday, and then the weekend, rain chances come up to about 20% on Friday, 30% on Saturday. There could be a few showers and storms in spots during the daytime over the weekend, so watch out for that. We're not talking about widespread rain, but there's enough moisture in the air. You might get a few downpours again in some areas of a couple inches. So we'll keep tracking those changes in your first 1-5 forecast here throughout the week on Channel 5 News this morning.